customer states when I put my truck in reverse, it's in drive. What? All right, drive. We're going forward. Reverse. We're going forward. Now, I'm not a transmission guy, and I don't rebuild them. I'll take them down and put new transmissions in and put new prindles in and whatever, you know, transmission lines. But as far as the guts go, I'm no expert. I've only done a few transmission rebuilds, and I just follow the book. This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado 3500 with a 6.0 liter. If any transmission guys know what's going on, let me know. This is pretty wild. Reverse is drive. Drive is drive. I can put it in reverse and go straight down the road. And we got no check engine light, no codes. Motor seems to be running great, sounds great, power's where it should be. Well, neutral is drive as well, guys. Neutral is drive. See, we're going forward. Uh-oh. Just for reference, park is park. So that works. I put it into first and it stalled out. Uh-oh. What was that? I put it into first.
I heard a lot of clips out here.
All right, let's try bringing it down into first again. It didn't do the clicky clicky. Just to let you guys know, the fluid is full. Second gear. We're good. Let off the brake. We're moving forward. Third. All right, it just did it that one time in first. All right, let's go back to drive and do some more spins. In summary, park is park, reverse is drive, neutral's drive, drive is drive, third is drive, second is drive, and first is drive. Sounds like fun. Fully up to temp, we're sitting at 200 degrees on the trans temp. Even though there's no check engine light, we have mass airflow sensor, engine misfire detected, 1-2 shift solenoid valve performance, no first, third gear. 2-3 shift solenoid valve performance, no third, fourth gear. That's a P0752, P0757. Backstory, transmission hose blew and dumped all his fluid, and he got it over here. I don't know if he drove it or towed it. It was just in my lot, and I had a message. I'll go ahead and clear all codes and see what pops up. And we got plenty of codes. We'll do a quick erase. So I put the initial fill capacity in, and it was right on the money, just sitting and idling. And then I did some trips around my yard, come back, I was like, check the fluid again, bone dry on the stick. I didn't factor in, hey, it probably dumped all the fluid from the torque converter, you know what I'm saying? So putting 3 more quarts in, we'll see where we're at. All right, so we're up to 10 quarts in. Total system capacity on my guide was like 12.7, 12.4, something like that. Anyway, I can't drive it down the road. You see, we got the construction out here. They cut a big old groove. They're laying some pipe under my driveway. I can't go on a test drive. I can't leave my yard right now. The stupid thing is there's no cones blocking that big cutout. And the bar down the street, an old lady, same thing. It started pouring down rain, and the construction workers ran, and the lady went boom, boom, boom. Had to pay a tow truck to get her out. I would have been making that company, because it's like a subcontract thing. I would have been like, hey, you're paying my tow bill. Like, there was no cones or anything, and the water had filled up the trench. Old lady couldn't see that there was a big old cutout and just bottomed out her freaking car. Oh man, these guys are goofballs who have been working on this project. Anyways, gonna go around my yard some more, let that fluid suck up into the torque converter, valve body, pan, go throughout the system, check the level again, see where we're at. Got the trans fluid right on the money now. Took 3 more quarts, so that's a total, we put a total of 9 quarts in, and the total system fill was 12.7, I believe, so it almost dumped all its fluids out, but it's right on the money now, still no change. still everything is drive except for park. Cleared the codes. We have no more fault codes anywhere, and I've just been taking it for laps around my yard, and the codes have not come back up. I cannot get out of my driveway right now, so I'm gonna do a little turn down a side road and take it for a drive and see if those codes come back up when I can finally leave my driveway.